The following instructions are for a Quad XL. Before you begin, make sure you have all parts and tools needed for the assembly. Place the longer base cabinet upside down on a protected flat surface with its caster base facing up. Note, you may need to remove doors and shelves before turning the cabinets over. Align caster with the threaded inserts. Use the 1/4 20 by 25 mm joint connector bolts to attach the casters to the base cabinet. Repeat for the remaining casters. Repeat the first two steps for the two smaller base cabinets. Next, with someone's help, position the cabinets right side up. Now, align the pre-drilled holes in cabinet B with the threaded inserts in cabinet A. With the cabinets aligned together, connect them with the 1/4 20 by 30 mm joint connector bolt with Loctite going through cabinet B. Use a 4 mm Allen wrench or a 4 mm hex bit and a screw gun to tighten as needed. Use 4 bolts total to connect cabinet A to cabinet B. Repeat the last step with the second base cabinet. Now, place the top on the base cabinets. Align the pre-drilled holes on the base cabinets with the threaded inserts in the top. Using a 1/4 20 by 30 mm joint connector bolt, insert the bolt through the pre-drilled hole up into the threaded insert of the top. Use a 4 mm Allen wrench or 4 mm hex bit and a screw gun to tighten the bolts and fasten them in place. The wire pulls are factory installed on the inside of the doors to prevent damage in transit. Unscrew each wire pull handle using a Phillips drill bit and a screw gun. Reattach the wire pull on the outside of the cabinets. Repeat for the other wire pull. You have now completed the assembly for the Quad XL.